Let's create a hamburger menu. To do that, we'll create a wrapper for a component. We'll give it the class Hamburger Menu. Each bar of the menu will be presented by a spice pan. Then to style it, we'll target the hamburger menu, specifically each bar. We'll give the bar the red color with 40 pixels and height 5 pixels. Now the reason why you don't see anything on the screen is because expand element doesn't actually take space on the page if there is nothing written to it. Since it's an empty tag, there's nothing. But to force the element to take space, we'll have to change its display property to block. What's happening now is that we have 3 bars, one under the other. All we have to do is create some space between the bars. One way to do that is through margin bottom and just give it maybe 2 pixels.